August 26th, not quite noon, should be around 11:20, 11:21. Just checking on everything after those Harvey heavy rains. Plenty of rains, but it looked like it didn't hurt anything, and looked like it woke up some new roots, and some new eyes are plumping up. Okay, don't have any spike blasting, but the only thing, that number 4 spike didn't quite get out of there, but it's still viable from the looks of it. I guess it'll come out later, but most of the spikes on my Vietnamica is doing great. Yeah, as well as to be expected. Alright, look like the Dendrobium alligatums. Enjoy the water or the rain. Okay, I'm looking for something. Oh yeah, my cactus. It's not rotted out. It's back there. Put it in. Actually, it's growing. Unbelievable. Okay, well, guess it needed that rain. Alright, so don't see anything affected negatively. I picked up a small haul last night. I didn't do a vid because it was really late when I got in, so we'll take a quick look at what I picked up. I'm sure something I already have, but I love them. They're all soaking. That's the name. This is another, I believe, Pachera Delight. Yeah. And it was a huge bag, baby. So I couldn't leave that. No way. And another large pink Vanda. Let's see what the name is. This is a name that I'm not sure if I have that. Could have been one that was stolen. So, okay, and I couldn't leave this guy in the store because they do so well back here. Matter of fact, that bulb in there is huge. So I'm thinking, if I treat her nice, or give her some good brew, she'll probably bloom for me this spring. Okay, and I picked up another spotted blue Vanda fragrance. And of course, I couldn't leave this in the store. They do well back here also. I couldn't find the tag, but that's okay. The picture helps. Love that picture. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3. Yeah, picked up 5 bag babies. And they're soaking in Harvey's rain. It looks like, oh, wow. She's trying to put out her buds. Okay. I'm sorry, this is my Sherry baby. She looks like she's kicking out her buds. But that rain level, that water level is too high. I gotta dump it. And it looks like sweet lemon. Which one is this? Which is this? Which is this? Alright, lemon drops is going over. But, oh, big mosquito. Look at that. Gee willikers. I didn't mean to show you. That's gross. But she looks like she's putting out another new growth, which is good. And she's okay. She's putting out a new growth. That's my water culture. I gotta dump some of that water out. It's just too much water. And I have a new spike. I don't know. Oh my God. I just totally looked over you. You're doing great. Is that from the same pot? Yeah, that's from the same pot. So she's putting out 2 spikes. That's fantastic. That's great. The same plant putting out 2 spikes. Let me get around here just to make sure. Yeah. No, that's a different plant. Okay, I stand corrected. But look how lovely that yellow is. That's fantastic. Which are you? Don't fall. Can't fall. Oh, that's $1 million. No wonder you look so good. Dollar, dollar, dollar. Alright, stand back up. I know you're top heavy. I got some roots coming out down there. Harvey did good. Alright, still got plenty of buds to open today. And, oh, this is lemon drop, not $1 million. But she looks just as gorgeous when she blooms. It's yellow, so I'm a sucker. Alright, so it looks like nothing but great green roots this morning. This is my rescue ampullatum. That was given to me, a little piece. But it actually put out a new growth. I thought it was going to die. But it didn't. Happy about that. Awanagara is still coming on with her sheaths and new growth. Good. Nobly seedlings are maturing, but it looks like they're still growing. So we'll see. All right. Oh, I did have a Vanda spike or keiki. I'm not sure what that is. Could be one or the other. But I'll take it. I'll take any new keikis. I have plenty of people I know that love Vandas. So we can put those keikis to good use. Alright. Yeah. Okay, so might have to change my feed a little bit. It's kicking out keikis instead of spikes. But hey, whatever I get, I'm happy. As long as it's not dying. Okay, so that's good. Like that sheath is coming on still. Alright, so Harvey's rings didn't do. Oh, let me see what's going on. Alright, what are we doing here? So you're going to put out 2 spikes for me. And a cake. You are Wonder Woman. You go, girl. Alright, so let's see. My Shorianas look like it's getting its color back out of the sun. And they're growing. Definitely. Color's coming back. Stiff, not soft. Good. That was a good move. Happy about that. Alright. Rain, rain, rain. We might get some more, so I wouldn't be surprised if I get some more rain. Ooh. This definitely perked up. Those rains. Oh, that's the tennifolia. I forgot all about it over here in this corner. But it looked like it perked up. Either that or that 10, 10, 10. One or the other. No words can describe that. Okay. Alright. Sorry, just cleaning off that mosquito that I left. Alright. Okay. And Takanaga is putting out new growths. Good, good, good. Alright, and new growths are growing on this girl. Okay, it's still growing. That's fine. Nothing wrong with that. Just making sure those rains didn't leave any black rot. Just new growth. Okay. That's fantastic. Another Tokanaga. Yep. Alright, that's leaning a little bit. But I think the sun, that rain probably came down. It's a seedling. Excuse me. But there's a lot of mold out here, so I'm having to clear my throat. We need some sun now to dry everything up. There's a spike. I'm not sure who that is. That's Sherry. That's another Sherry baby back there, and the waters need to be empty. Oh, we put out a spike. Okay. Yeah. So, but it's not the kind of mold that'll kill you. It just affects your sinuses. Excuse me. And there's a lot back here because when I go through that, I definitely have mold. Alright, but the sun kills it, so it's a temporary thing. It's not something that's going to live around forever, not back here, not with that sun. Okay, and then we have this a lot. Then I'm allergic, period. I got problems with sinuses when it comes to plants. And I got something in bloom back here. I forget the name of it, but it's fragrant. And then that big thing right there in flower with pollen and everything, or ponciana, blowing in the wind. So it affects my sinuses. I'm not wearing a mask, which I'm supposed to, but I'm not. Not back here. Alright, so enough of that. I don't want to disclose my medical history all over YouTube. I'm not looking for sympathy or numbers. I earned my numbers just on my orchids alone. Alright, and my care and my love. Okay, look like Harvey. Sorry, I didn't mean to digress, but I'm just keeping it real. Okay, everything looks okay. Harvey didn't do much damage, and we were told that we're gonna get some more rain. Let me see what this vanilla's doing back here. That's what happens. Okay, she's you can see her back there in the corner. She's heading upward. So we'll see where she goes. My traveling vanilla. I mean, she's doing okay. I didn't kill her with too much moisture. Ooh, what's that? Something fell off. Oh, it rotted off something. I'm not sure where it came from. But, oh no, something ate that. There's a slug. Unbelievable. That's a nice leaf. Totally ate it out. But I'm gonna find him and get rid of him. I'm gonna eradicate him. I'll find him. My Renanthera's back there. Cactus, everything is okay. Everything is looking fantastic. Alright, Harvey's aftermath, but I don't think he's done with us as far as the rains. We'll see. Have a great Saturday. Enjoy life. Oh, you want to put out another spike for me too? That's good. Okay, we'll take it. I put a little 10-10-10. This is the fall. I just give them a light balanced fertilizer during the fall, because in January and February I give them slow release, and they eat on that for 6 months. And then in the fall I give them a little bit of my brew and a little 10-10-10, and that's it. I don't overfeed them. I just throw it in a corner of the pot, and the rains, if we get any, and watering, will take care of the rest. I don't stress myself out about what they look like, what color they are, blah blah blah. I feed them, and I don't have those issues. That's all. You feed them regularly, you won't have any problems. Some of my bag babies come in here, and we don't know how long they had their last feeding. Some of the better grow bag babies have slow release in them, but not all. And we just don't know how long they've been without food. So when we get them and you pot them up, and you sit them out here, and they can't take that tremendous amount of heat that's back here in my grow space. So it just totally drains them. So the first thing I think about is Let me throw a little spag around your base and top it off with some 10 to start with. Something light. And if they perk up, I know it's the feeding. They haven't been fed. They're hungry. Poor babies. And I feed them and I watch them. I keep an eye out on them. They're doing okay. I'm going to put them in some sun to see if they'll harden off a little more. And after that, I'll forget about them. They'll be fine. Okay, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. And have a wonderful day. A wonderful orchid growing day. Okay, this was a rescue. It was given to me. And I left it out here in Harvey's rain. Right? And I gave it a little bit of brew. Come on and focus. Gave it a little bit of brew. And it's kicking out 2 roots at the same time from the same axis. So I'd say it's coming back. It look a little bad. She's putting out a new leaf in there also. Okay. I won't throw it in the trash. I'll keep her hanging out here in the garden. Okay, we'll find a spot for you somewhere temporarily. Okay, just stay right there. I'll find you another spot. All right. This no ID dendrobium is coming out of the pot, loving its position here. Harvey's rain. Definitely. What's these ants in there? What are they all? And these are not black ants. Oh, they were in the pot because it was dry. Now they have to find. They're the ones that's been eating these roots probably, because I never did find a snail. But the root tips are growing back. It's doing fine. Oh, there's a tag. It does have a name. Who are you? Alright, that's who you are. Okay, we'll find a place to stick this tag back in there, because that's important. Some of my dendrobiums just don't have tags. Like this, I know this has a name. It's blooming. I pulled it out of the back. Had it stuck back there. That's where most of my dendrobiums stay. So it did a spike for me. And I did a division a while back, and so I decided to put out spikes, but it doesn't have a name, so but it's beautiful. All right. Okay. Such an extensive garden for me. It's small, but it's just packed. Look at this Vanda here. Harvey rain's kicking out. Oh my God, I just love it. The split root, or her roots are splitting, and she's too happy. That's just too much happiness right here. Look at that. Look at that. That's just happy, happy, happy. I love it. Happy, happy, happy. They love those rains. Love them. And I love that rain too. It's just miraculous. Got a new leaf coming out on one of my Moats Vandas. Josephine Van Barrow, Cotana, I believe that is. It's looking fabulous. No, all I need is a spike. It should be. It looks like it's going to be kicking out another root right there. But I have to check the leaf axis. I haven't checked those. But since I've had it, it put out 1, 2, 3. So that's from the beginning of this year. I think I got her from Tamiami International Orchid Fest. I believe, yeah, that's where I got her from, this year. And she has grown a lot. And I am loving it. I'm loving it. Love it even more if I can get some spikes and some flowers, but I know I have to be patient. I see a little black rot down in there, a little tiny leaf. I'll pull that out later, just because I don't want that to spread. Okay, so I'll take care of you as soon as I put this camera down, because that's exactly what I'm looking for anyway, is black rot. With the heat, oh, it's bound to happen. It will happen. Okay. Looked like the sun was a bit too much for you over here, but I'm not moving you because it's time for you to bloom or something. I've had you forever. All you're doing is growing, which is good. I'll take it. But Mama want to see some flowers. I want some flowers. Flowers. Okay. What are you doing back there? You're putting out new growth. Fantastic. Alright, not much black rot. I saw one leaf, and that was it. So my drainage back here, that's sun. That's not black rot. I can cut that off. I had the little tip in the sun. Oh, you had a sheath in there. Oh, the sheath is growing. Yay. Okay, I'll take it. And of course you're growing. Okay, you and yep. Okay, love your root tips, girl. Okay, loving your root tips, girl. Okay, that's lovely. Oh, they're growing, they're growing, they're growing. They're coming out of the pot. Yay! Lovely. Okay. Visual after I'm losing him a little bit. I think that Oncidium. Somebody gave me that, and it really looked just that bad. So it's not doing very much. Let's see. Okay, they got rid of their Blair moths, thinking I can save it. We'll see. I'm gonna have to see what's going on. Move it probably to another position. I don't want it to die. Even though it looks like it's just scraggly or something, there's still some green there. There's something. And there's some roots down in there. So there's something I can save. So we'll do that. I see something black back here. Yeah. So we'll have to clean that up later. Definitely. Don't want that black spot to set in. Hey, look at that coming out of the pot. Who are you? Okay, looking good. Got a new root coming right there. Who are you? I got so many vandals, it's ridiculous. But they don't take up a lot of space back here, not for me. Sorry. When I came back here, it was basically for vandas. But I know you can't live off vandas alone. I just love them. Some new growth back there coming out. Yeah. Just got that. That rain woke up a lot of eyes. Okay. Let's see. Looking good. There's some more new growths around there. Alright. Fantastic. Yeah. You're hanging in there. Your new leaf is growing. Oh, another root tip. I'll take it. Oh, there's a little one right there. Little root tip. Look at that. Love it. Love it. Okay. Having too much fun back here. Okay, it ought to be a law. Yeah. When I reach 1,000 subscribers, I will be giving out a cakey. Let me see if I can get it out. my crestwood, I will be giving out one of these cakeys. If they'll put down those roots like they're supposed to. And that's when I get 1,000 subscribers. One lucky subscriber. It all depends on how I feel. I might do 2 lucky subscribers. A cakey for each. How about that? That's 1,000 subscribers. Okay, since I have so many cakeys growing in this garden, why not share the love? Okay, and I don't mind that, because I'll just put some more love right back into it. Yeah! Okay. I think this video is long enough, but this is doing a visual on Harvey's backlash here in South Florida. Enjoy your life.